Do you guys know that investing is like planting a money tree? The earlier you start, the more time your investment has to grow and multiply. Let's explore some essential tips to help you start your investment journey. First things first, set a clear financial goal. Whether it's saving for a comfortable retirement, a dream home, or a world tour, having clear goals can help you shape your investment strategy. Spread your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate. Diversification helps in reducing risk and maximizes the potential return. Stay informed and be patient. Keep up with the market trends, economic news, and industry developments. But remember, investment is a long-term game. Avoid making decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Investing is a journey. So start today and watch your investments grow. Happy investing!